Good morning, children. Welcome back. I am Mrs. Sitara, your social science teacher. In our today's session, we will discuss the evaluation of Chapter 3, Good Citizen. Without any delay, let us go to the questions. Roman number 1, fill in the blanks. Question number 1. Man is a dash. I repeat, man is a dash. The answer is, can you tell me? That is right. Man is a social animal. S-O-C-I-A-L, social. A-N-I-M-A-L, animal, social animal. Moving on to question number 2. The word civic means dash of a nation. The word civic means dash of a nation. The answer is citizen. C-I-T-I-Z-E-N, citizen. C-I-T-I-Z-E-N, citizen. Moving to question number 3. The main objective of education is to change a person into a dash. I repeat, the main objective of education is to change a person into a... What is the answer? Right. Valuable human being. Valuable human being. V-A-L-U-A-B-L-E, valuable. Human, H-U-M-A-N, human. B-E-I-N-G, being, valuable human being. Moving on to question number 4. Dash is the basic value for every individual. Dash is the basic value for every individual. Can you tell me the answer? That is right. Personal value. Personal value. P-E-R-S-O-N-A-L, personal. V-A-L-U-E, value, personal value. Moving to question number 5. Always be dash in discharging duty. Always be dash in discharging duty. Do you know the answer, children? Very correct. Prompt. P-R-O-M-P-T, prompt. P-R-O-M-P-T, prompt. Always be prompt in discharging duty. Now let us move to Roman number 2, match the following. Personal value. The answer is honesty. Personal value. Example is honesty. Cultural value, harmony. Cultural value, harmony. Disciplinary value. Disciplinary value is punctuality. Disciplinary value, punctuality. Social value. Example is tolerance. Social value, tolerance. Unemployment. Unemployment is affecting factor. Unemployment, affecting factor. I'll read the answers once again. These are the correct answers, my dear children. Personal value, honesty. Cultural value, harmony. Disciplinary value, punctuality. Social value, tolerance. Unemployment, affecting factor. Now let us go to Roman number 3. Answer the following in brief. Question number 1. Define the term citizen. Define the term citizen. The answer is, a citizen is a person who is a member of a particular country and enjoys various rights and executes his duties. I repeat, a citizen is a person who is a member of a particular country and enjoys various rights and executes his duties. Moving on to question number 2. List out any 5 personal value. List out any 5 personal values. Can you tell me, children? Very correct. Love, L-O-V-E, love. Mercy, M-E-R-C-Y, mercy. Peace, P-E-A-C-E, peace. Truth, T-R-U-T-H, truth. And honesty, H-O-N-E-S-T-Y, honesty. Love, mercy, peace, truth, and honesty. Moving on to question number 3. Write a short note on cultural values. Write a short note on cultural values. First one. In a society, we must be well-mannered and cultured. In a society, we must be well-mannered and cultured. Irrespective of language and our religion, we must live together in harmony. Irrespective of language and our religion, we must live together in harmony. Moving to question number 4. What are disciplinary values? What are disciplinary values? The disciplinary values are, can you name them, children? Very correct. What you follow in your school. Number 1, punctuality. P-U-N-C-T-U-A-L-I-T-Y, punctuality. Involvement. I-N-V-O-L-V-E-M-E-N-T, involvement. Treating everyone as equal. Number 4, doing work on time. Number 5, holding morals. Holding morals. Number 6, discharging duties without fail. Discharging duties without fail. The disciplinary values are punctuality, involvement, treating everyone as equal, doing work on time, holding morals, discharging duties without fail. Now let us see Roman number 4 answer in detail. Write any 5 factors that enrich good values. Write any 5 factors that enrich good values. The answer is 5 factors that enrich good values are: first one, literacy. L-I-T-E-R-A-C-Y, literacy. Number 2, awareness. A-W-A-R-E-N-E-S-S, awareness. And interest. I-N-T-E-R-E-S-T, interest. Number 3, trying hard till success. S-U-C-C-E-Y, ESS, success. Number 4, acceptance. ACCEPTANCE, acceptance. Number 5, self-confidence. SELF, self. CONFIDENCE, self-confidence. Moving to question number 2. Write about the constitutional values. Write about the constitutional values. First point, safeguard public property. Safeguard public property. Number 2, maintain unity and integrity of nation. Maintain unity and integrity of nation. Number 3, protect natural resource. Protect natural resource. Number 4, honor national symbols. Honor national symbols. Number 5, develop patriotism. Develop patriotism. I repeat, safeguard public property, maintain unity and integrity of nation, protect natural resource, honor national symbols, develop patriotism. Dear children, with this we come to the end of today's session. Stay home, stay safe and stay blessed. Thank you.